Guys, I'm gonna introduce my horses to you. I might need to make a part 2 of this because it might take longer than 1 minute. Also, where did. Okay, there he is. This is Flame, my little fox. Okay. First off, Rosalie, Floral Arabian Mare. The lovely, lovely, lovely. And now we have Celeste, Mare, Unicorn. Don't really like the way she looks in the game, but whatever. Well, gosh, that person has a Clydesdale Pegasus. I wish I had one, but not yet. Dusky. My, Smoky Dapple Raven. You've seen him in that Old Town Road video I made. Dusky, yeah. And then we have Sooty, my dappled gray Arabian. I love Arabians, they're my favorite breed. Mustangs are my second favorite breed, but Arabians are the biggest breed. They're my most favorite. My most favorite. We have Indigo, my highest level horse. Just throw a random saddle on him. Bam. He is a Arabian Night. Arabian? It's not. Yeah. Gosh, which is like a unicorn. So this is my other unicorn. Like, I have two unicorns, and this is my only Arabian unicorn, but he is really cool. He's my highest level, so I use him for like all the competitions and stuff. Trigger, I don't really like the way he looks in the black mask, so I'm just gonna switch the saddles and take off the mask. There we go. Golden Palomino Mustang. That's why I named him Trigger, after Roy Rogers' horse, who was described to be a golden Palomino in like the movies. Flame, why are you running yourself into a door frame? Then we have Mermaid, my aqua horse. The mare. There's a glitch sometimes where you don't have a saddle, and Mermaid is usually the one that it happens to. So keep zooming out, put her away. Now we have Nomad. I named him Nomad because the desert nomads rode Arabians. And, they still do. That's why I named him Nomad. I really like the way he looks with the pinto-y color. Tricolor Pinto. I love it. I love it. I absolutely love it. Next we have Aurora. I named her that because she reminds me of... Go away, Alana. Oh my gosh, why are these people following me? I named her that because she reminds me of Aurora from Sleeping Beauty, that Disney movie. Gosh, I'm pressing buttons I don't want to be pressing. Oh my gosh. See, look at... I'm gonna throw you away. And my two newest horses, Inferno, Fire Horse. Look at him. Look at that guy. Look at him, he's so cool. I already have names picked out for next two horses I get. And my newest one, Galaxy. Look at... I'm not sure whether I want to be Mare Stallion yet. Comment whether you think Galaxy should be Mare Stallion. I really like the way it looks. I've always wanted a Celestial Arabian in this game. They're like so beautiful. I love it. How awesome they are. Gosh. Look at how awesome this is. Oh, and something cool that in Indigo can do that none of my other horses can. I can play wild mode with him, which means I can play as him. Love it, love it. I'm saving my next wild mode chance for a Pegasus. I already have names picked out for the next few horses I want. You know, for na 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 na. Oh dear. Where is it? Like for this one, I wanted to name it Charcoal. You know, this one Blaze. My fire horses. This one I would name S'mores. I would name it S'more. This one I would name Hershey. This one I would name Venus. This one I would name Pearl. This one I would name Taffy. It's like a chocolate taffy. This one I would name Sabrina. This one I would name Blue because it's a blue one. If I had this one, I would name it Rainbow. This one I would name Zambi. This one I would name Elsa. I would name this one Sunshine. This one I would name King. Oh, this one I would name Zakora, or something zebra related. This one I would name Aztec. This one would name This one I would name Hunter, or like Artemis or something. This one I would name it Prez after Forbidden Grey Arabian I used to ride, but he got sold, so I miss him. This one I would name Cassie. This one I would name I honestly don't know what to name this one. Oreo? Yeah, Oreo would be good. We already have that one named. This one I would name Robot. This one I would name Owl, or something owl related, because it looks kind of like an owl to me. Oh, this one I would name Luna. This one I would name Nugget. This one I would name this one I would name nice. I need a flower. Tulip. I would name that one Tulip. This one I would name Ariel, because like air, it's like flying, and then like the Little Mermaid, her name was Ariel. This is a water horse. Oh, this one I would name Poppy or Blossom. Oh, this one I would name Starlet. Oh, this one I would name Skylark. This one I would name Midnight. This one I would name this one I would name Sebastian. Alright, this one I would name Chloe. I think that fits. Oh, this one I would name Sarah. I don't know. Samurai. Yes, Samurai. This one I would name Marble. This one I would name Cloudy or Cloud, something cloud related. This one I would name Star. You know, there's a black Pegasus in the books. Oh, the Guardian Herd. He's the only black Pegasus. So I was thinking name Star or Nightwing after one of the two black Pegasi in the book. Tawny Pegasus, I would name Rusty, honestly. And North, I really want this one so bad. This one I would name Beauty. This one would be Violet, obviously. This one, I would name Morning Leaf. After Star's girlfriend, obviously. This one I would name Turquoise after the eye color. And I want a Pintalusa so bad. If I had a Pintalusa, I would name it Scout. And of course, I already have. Let's see. Let's go through all the horses I've ever had in this game. I've had all of these. I've had this one, that one, and that one. Then I've had this, and this, and this, and this, and this. And this. No, wait, I haven't had this. Never mind, I did not have this. Never mind. And I've had this. Now for the epics, I've had no Clydesdales yet, unfortunately. This. I haven't had a Frisian either. This, and this. So I've actually done really well in this game. You know, with me being level 19. What kind of resources do I need? Oh my. If you guys can think up a better names for the horses, then comment them. Also, I need you guys to decide if Galaxy should be a mare or a stallion, because I'm really not sure yet. Right now it's gender neutral. Till I decide. Nice thing in this game, you can decide if you want the horse to be mare or stallion. It doesn't like choose for you. Oh my gosh, I love the shooting star pattern down the neck. I love it. The constellations on the hindquarters. I love it. And the sparkly tail and the blue and white hooves. I love this horse so much. Oh my gosh, it would go so great with the Shadow Panther, the Shadow Jaguar. Oh my gosh, I would. Or the little Galaxy Wolf. Like a little Galaxy pet. That would be so cool. I need so much wood. Or like this little deer. That'd be cute. Right now I just have a fox. I have to do so much mining. This isn't even Minecraft. This is like Minecraft for equestrians. That's what I compare it to. Minecraft strictly for horseback riders. Oh my gosh, how long have I been filming? I've been filming a lot longer than I planned to. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna go end this video. You know, as soon as I finish you need to wash me. You need to wash. Saving all my resources. And you need to wash. watching. You need to watch. Galaxy is definitely the fastest horse I have. By far. We are gonna end this video right here. Right now. Gonna edit and post it very soon. So bye, have a nice day. And I really hope you guys all win the tournament.